In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Hubspot meeting in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to virtual meetings or you're familiar but need a little refresher, we've got you covered. The process is straightforward, and by the end of this guide, you'll be ready to join any Hubspot meeting with confidence. To kick things off, you'll need the meeting link from the host. This link is your gateway into the virtual meeting room and is typically sent to you via email or another communication channel you use regularly. Keep an eye out for this message from the host, as it will contain important details about the meeting. This includes not just the link, but also the meeting time, the topic to be discussed, and perhaps most importantly, the platform on which it will take place. Common platforms include Google Meet and Zoom, so it's good to be familiar with how these operate if you're not already. Once you have that meeting link in your possession, you're ready for the next step, joining the meeting platform. To do this, simply click on the link provided to you. It's designed to direct you automatically to the right place, taking you straight to the platform where the meeting is hosted. If you're using a computer or a mobile device, ensure it's set up to access the internet so the link can function properly. Upon clicking the link, you'll land on the meeting platform page. Simple on-screen instructions will guide you through the process of joining the session. The specifics depend on the platform. For instance, with Google Meet, you might be prompted to log in using your Google account. If you're not signed in, have your details handy. On Zoom, you may need to enter your name and email before entering. These steps ensure you have a seat at the table and maybe help the host know who's joining. Some platforms might even let you hop straight into the meeting room with a single click if no special login or information is required. However, even if extra steps are needed, they're designed to be user-friendly, so follow along patiently and you'll be in the meeting in no time. And there you have it. With these steps, you're ready to join any Hubspot meeting effortlessly. Remember, it all hinges on accessing that meeting link, clicking it, and following the platform's instructions. Virtual meetings are an integral part of staying connected in today's world, so feel free to visit the host platform's help resources if you need more guidance. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide useful. Now go ahead and join that meeting like a pro.